Oh my God, who's calling me? Hello?
Hey,
OMG, where are you?
We're at Rocky's cat parade.
wanna come?
Of course, gang. I'll be there in 1 second.
Okay, but get here.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, settle down. David, and welcome to the 2026 Cat Parade.
I'm scared, gang.
It's gonna be okay.
What if my wig falls off?
Now here's Rocky and the Talking Kitten Players. What happened?
Oh my god, this is like so cringe. Like, bro, why is this even a thing? Like, oh my god.
Well then, why are you here?
Calm down, Mika.
Okay, fine. Security.
On God, I'm suing you.
No, bitch, replace. I love my brother, he's my best friend, and
Oh my God, who's calling me? Hello?